Hell yeah, I'm out here. Our first blizzard, our first winter blizzard 2016. Always on some Philly shit. Yeah, you already know. I'm prepared for this shit. I'm good. I'm warm. Woo! A little tutorial. You know what I'm saying? I had to walk to the store real quick. So I said, why not? This shit crazy out here right about now. People got their snow blowers out and shit. Man. Oh man. You can't even walk on the pavement. Shit too deep. Shit come up to my knees. Way too deep to walk up on the pavement right about now. Oh man. Ain't shit, get ready to turn this corner. Oh shit. Yeah. And then I'm a winter baby, born in December, baby. This is my type weather. You already know. I'm good out here in there. Oh shit. Cars down there buried then. Hell yeah. I'm gonna make it to the poppy store, baby. Best believe that. Make that shit clap.